Hello everyone, tie your hair in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside, go into a twister pan and tighten a little bit, and also on the twister pan, pinch out the hair a little bit for boosting out volume, and also don't forget to pinch out the hair on the top as well. Then also tie a rubber band at the top middle part of the tail and drop the tail into it, and also drop the entire tail into the first rope we created. Then also split the remaining section of the hair into two and have it into a braid. So the braid should be looking like flat, and also you should pinch out the braid on the sides to make it as loopy design. Then secure the end of the rubber band and fold it to half and move it to the opposite direction, stop and secure it there by a lovely hairpin. Do the same for the right side as well. Then pinch out the hair on the top. Loosen your bunch and hold it on top and have a very beautiful hairpin attached from left to right and secure it on the opposite direction. Have a rubber band top middle part of the tail and push it down, and have it even more down is by having a little hairpin. Tie your hair in the middle and have a tail secure on the top by using a 3-in-1 hair clutcher. Then twist the middle section of the hair and have it attached to the second clutcher. The left section twisted go to the third clutcher, and the right section after twisted going to the first clutcher. Then with the remaining section of the hair, have a rubber band tie to the top middle part and have it downwards and push it inward down by having a little hairpin. Have a little bunch on the top section of the hair and choose a zigzag braid maker and have it fixed to the rubber band. Then grab a section of the hair on the left side of the top section and have it attached to the right. Then grab another section of the hair on the right of the top section and have it attached to the left side. Then grab another section of the hair right below the first one we had and drop it right below the next one. Then do the same one for the right side as well. Then continue doing the same until you reach the middle part of your hair. Then after that, the remaining part of the hair that is on the tail, do continue the same until you reach the bottom middle part of the braid maker. Then after that, when you complete the braid maker, have the end secure with the rubber band. Then also don't forget to add your fluffy rubber band also. So when you're done with it, you can also decorate your hairstyle by dropping in some lovely hairpin collection in between the ridges. Or you can just go for a lovely hairband in between and loosening out a little bit for boosting out the volume and making it as a loopy design. Choose whatever you want depending on your creativity. Divide your hair into 3 sections from the back and have it braided in a very thicker manner by using the 3 braids. So do the braiding from top to bottom but leave the bottom middle part as such. Then after that, bring the braid to the top by rolling it over and have the remaining part twisted and make it go at the bottom of the braid and hide it beneath it by using a rubber band tied to it. Then after that, secure the braid with the rubber band and have the end stretched out to the maximum volume. Then do stretch out the hair on the top side as well. Make a bunch and loosen it up a little bit and bring the entire bunch, go from bottom to top and bring it back. Then have a rubber band attach the middle part of it and stuff the tail into the last loop of the rubber band and have it secured there by having a beautiful hair clutcher and stretch the bun for volume. Split your hair into 2 sections from the back and have it go across each other by braiding it in a very thicker manner and making it into a clockwise direction and have it secure the tip underneath the bun we just now created. Then have it in place by dropping 2 little hairpins on either side of the buns. Then also don't forget to drop in your lovely hairpin collection on the top right side. If you want, you can choose lovely colors and drop it in various locations. Grab your lovely hair from behind and twist it gently to the maximum as you could. Then have it into a hair roll by bringing it to the top and secure the tip underneath the roll by twisting it further. Then after that, make it hold in place by dropping lovely hair clutcher on random parts of it so that it holds them in place. If you want, you can choose multiple colors depending on your wardrobe and choose favorite hair clutchers. Thank you everyone for watching this video.